EasyPlay 1S is a compact and versatile music keyboard designed for both beginners and experienced musicians. Its 25-key 3x5 layout provides a convenient and portable option for creating music on the go. Additionally, the EasyPlay 1S offers an impressive 8 hours of continuous playtime, making it a reliable choice for extended sessions, whether you're practicing, composing, or performing. After dusk settles and your day comes to a close, the bedroom should become a haven of relaxation and control. NightEase is more than just furniture. It's a nighttime command center wrapped in elegance. Built with thoughtful design and smart features, NightEase enhances your personal space while seamlessly merging utility and comfort. Cut the clutter and recharge in style with wireless charging built directly into the tabletop. No cords, no chaos. 4 integrated charging ports keep your phone, tablet, smartwatch, and e-reader powered up and ready by morning. Feel the freedom of movement and immerse yourself in pure sound with Huawei FreeArc, meticulously shaped for a secure and airy fit. Crafted with a soft S-curve ear hook, it offers open ear comfort without sacrificing stability, keeping you cool even through intense workouts thanks to its sweat-absorbent design. The optimal 140-degree triangular support ensures they stay firmly anchored, while the lightweight S-curve reduces tragus pressure for a stable, ergonomic fit. The Tachyon 210-watt power bank is designed for those who demand speed and durability in their charging solutions. Equipped with shock-proof construction, it ensures protection from impacts during outdoor adventures or travel. With 4 USB charging ports, it supports simultaneous device charging, allowing users to power up multiple gadgets at once without slowing down. The digital display offers a clear, real-time view of the power bank's status, making it easy to monitor remaining charge and manage power usage effectively. Tactile precision meets modern minimalism. This innovative metal card packs an entire polyhedral dice set into a design thinner than a smartphone. Engineered from solid aluminum alloy, it's built to endure years of tabletop sessions without losing its clean machined edge. Whether you're rolling a D4, D6, D8, D10, D12, or even a D20, each dial spins with crisp resistance, delivering randomized results without the clutter of traditional dice. Campfires fade, trails grow dark, but Mosey Guard keeps the comfort alive. Designed for wilderness explorers and backyard loungers alike, this ultimate outdoor mosquito repeller brings modern defense into natural settings. At its core, MCH ceramic rapid heating technology delivers fast-acting, mosquito-repelling heat, giving you control in seconds. With a 10,000 mAh battery powering up to 20 hours of heating, Mosey Guard outlasts your longest nights under the stars. Wrapped in sleek comfort and cutting-edge engineering, the iRest A303 SL Track 3D robotic massage chair transforms any room into a sanctuary of precision relaxation. This chair doesn't just recline, it recalibrates how you unwind. Its 3D robotic hands deliver deep kneading pressure that mimics the skilled touch of a personal masseuse, while the extended 53-inch SL Track follows your spine's natural curve from the base of the skull to the hamstrings. The Dream X50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop offers a seamless cleaning experience for modern homes. Equipped with 20,000 Pascal suction power, this device provides a thorough deep clean, efficiently picking up dust, dirt, and debris across multiple surfaces. Its advanced obstacle avoidance technology ensures smooth navigation around furniture and obstacles, preventing any bumps or interruptions to its cleaning path. Crafted for those who move with purpose, the Oclip Ultra delivers performance in a compact 2.09-inch form. This isn't just a pocket light, it's a triple-function powerhouse. With a 530 lumen output, it transforms from a broad floodlight to a precision spotlight, and even a UV beam for detailed inspection. Whether clipped to your backpack, brim, collar, or pocket, the dual direction clip and ultra slim profile keep it secure and accessible. Elevate your photography experience with the Lens Case for iPhone. This innovative 5-in-1 phone case brings the art of photography to your fingertips, combining sleek carbon fiber protection with versatile lens options. The fisheye lens opens up the world with unique, wide-angle perspectives, while the 10x and 30x macro lenses enable you to capture intricate details up close. The Mylord Eco Trackers offers advanced monitoring technology for assessing harmful substances in fruits and vegetables. This tool efficiently measures critical water parameters, ensuring the quality and safety of your produce. With its precise sensors, it detects harmful substances such as pesticides, heavy metals, and other contaminants in a quick and reliable manner. The device also monitors key water quality metrics, providing insights into factors like pH, turbidity, and dissolved oxygen. Forget preheating and oil-splattered stovetops. The Philips Air Fryer XXL streamlines family meals with precision and speed. Designed for efficiency, its 7-quart capacity easily handles a whole chicken or 2 bags of fries, perfect for feeding the entire family in one go. It uses rapid air technology to circulate hot air, creating crispy exteriors and tender interiors without relying on excess oil. Integrated fat removal technology captures and separates fat from food during cooking, making each bite lighter without sacrificing flavor. In a world moving faster by the second, precision tools like Kublet become essential companions. This simple, tiny, yet powerful data tracker fits right into your everyday life without the need for complexity. With Kublet, you stay informed at a glance, whether it's monitoring the weather, keeping tabs on stocks, tracking your wallet health, or checking your UST yield performance. Health-conscious users can rely on Kublet for real-time blood sugar updates, helping to maintain balance wherever they are. Built for steep streets and long rides, the InMotion Climber redefines the electric scooter experience with a dual 750-watt motor system that generates a combined peak of 1,500-watt power. This robust setup propels the climber to speeds up to 23.6 miles per hour, even when facing demanding inclines and heavy riders up to 286 pounds. Its hill climbing capabilities are backed by an advanced torque system and independent dual-wheel drive that grips the pavement confidently. Clutter doesn't stand a chance when the Brother P-Touch PTD220 enters the scene. Built for those who value structure without sacrificing style, this compact label maker brings smart organization to any home, small office, or workspace. Whether you're sorting file folders, cables, pantry shelves, or storage bins, the PTD220 provides a sleek and practical solution. Foldable tech has entered a new era, and Huawei is leading the charge with the revolutionary Pura X. While others refine the old, Huawei reimagines the future. This isn't just a clamshell evolution, it's a transformation. Even after being cut off from US tech since 2019, Huawei continues to overcome barriers, designing devices without access to Android or Google services. The Pura X thrives on Harmony OS 5, Huawei's own system, now sharper and smarter with Harmony Intelligence and advanced AI features. Late-night raids, open-world adventures, or split-screen duels. Whatever your style, this gaming bed transforms your space into a true command center. Tailored for adults who refuse to compromise comfort or performance, this setup combines immersive tech, smart design, and bold aesthetics. Packed with features that matter, it includes a 32-inch HD TV built into the foot end, fully upgradable to a 43-inch 4K screen. In the chaos of travel or a spontaneous moment outdoors, having a reliable tripod you can trust isn't always guaranteed, unless you've got the YogaPod. Built to be flat, durable, and astonishingly compact, the YogaPod is a refreshing reimagining of the mini tripod. Its precision-machined body tucks neatly into a bag or even a jacket pocket, ready whenever the moment calls. What makes it different? It can hold your camera vertically without needing a bulky ball head. Introducing the amzn Zip, a compact powerhouse that brings entertainment to your fingertips anytime, anywhere. With its ultra-portable design, this device is incredibly lightweight, weighing no more than your phone, yet it's half the size. Whether you're on a road trip, relaxing at home, or on the go, the Zip is ready to deliver immersive experiences. The amzn Zip offers effortless access to entertainment without the need for accessories. It unfolds in seconds, offering a user-friendly experience with zero hassle. Precision meets immersion in the Varjo XR4, redefining how professionals interact with virtual and real environments. This mixed reality headset delivers 28 million pixels through revolutionary full-dome aspheric lenses, ensuring unmatched clarity across an effective field of view that's 50% larger than its predecessor. Whether you're simulating surgical procedures or designing in CAD, every line and contour is rendered with industrial-grade color accuracy and 200 nits of brightness. Precision meets purpose in a blade that adapts as swiftly as you do. This isn't just an everyday carry knife, it's a modular tool engineered for those who demand control, durability, and design. Built to evolve with your needs, it combines elite materials with effortless customization. Whether you prefer the sleek feel of titanium, the textured grip of G10, the refined finish of carbon fiber, or the distinct beauty of Damascus steel, the handle transforms in seconds without tools. The Samsung Galaxy X Cover 6 Pro 5G is designed for professionals who demand durability and high performance. Built to withstand tough conditions, it passes MIL STD 810H testing and a 1.5-meter drop test, with an IP68 rating ensuring it's resistant to dust, dirt, sand, and water. Whether in extreme environments or everyday use, the X Cover 6 Pro keeps working. The Leafeet S1 Pro is a versatile sea scooter designed for water enthusiasts seeking to enhance their underwater experiences. With a maximum speed of 6.5 kilometers per hour, it provides an efficient and enjoyable way to explore the depths of the ocean. The scooter features 3 adjustable speed settings, allowing you to tailor your ride to the environment or your level of experience. Whether you're snorkeling, diving, or swimming, the Leafeet S1 Pro adapts to your needs, ensuring smooth and controlled movement. The Kuxiu magnetic wireless charging stand for iPad transforms how you power up your tablet. No more tangled cables or complicated setups. With its enhanced magnetic design, it provides seamless charging with up to 18 watts of power. Simply place your iPad on the stand, connect the USB-C cable, and you're ready to go. Constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, this stand is designed for both durability and elegance. CNC machined for precision, it boasts a frosted texture that complements your iPad Pro. For those seeking convenience and power on the go, the Baseus Magnetic Power Bank 10,000 mAh is an excellent solution. This compact yet robust battery pack delivers up to 7.5 watts of fast wireless charging, making it a perfect companion for iPhone 12 to 16 series models. Thanks to its magnetic design, it effortlessly attaches to the back of your iPhone, providing a seamless charging experience without the need for buttons or complicated setups. Packing for your trip doesn't have to be a hassle. Enter the Volek EasyY Organizer Set. Designed to eliminate the stress from your packing routine, you can compress your items up to 85%, making it possible to carry more with less. The Volek EasyY Set is built for durability, using 70D nylon fabric that withstands wear and tear. With an upgraded Turbo Boost airflow system that provides a massive 200 liters per minute, packing is completed in a flash, saving you valuable time. The Insta360 Link-2 C4K webcam stands out as a premium choice for professional streaming, video calls, and gaming. Designed for both PC and Mac, it boasts a 1/2-inch sensor for exceptional clarity and detail. With 4K resolution, your broadcasts or video conferences are captured in stunning visual quality, whether you're working from home or streaming to an audience. One of its standout features is auto-framing, which intelligently adjusts the camera's position to keep you in focus even if you move. Rethink your nightstand with a piece that merges form and function into a single sculptural element: the Octagon One Plus portable alarm clock. Light doesn't just save space, it redefines it. Carved from 100% sustainable natural wood, this elegant device stands at the intersection of minimalist design and everyday practicality. It's a portable desk lamp, a gentle wake-up light, and a precision timekeeper all in one compact unit measuring just over 3.5 inches thick. Gloves are no longer the future. B-Stick brings full tactile immersion to your fingertips today. Built as the first handheld haptic VR controller that translates virtual contact into real sensation, B-Stick redefines how users connect with digital environments. Unlike vibration-based devices, B-Stick delivers detailed feedback to each individual finger, allowing you to feel textures, pressure, resistance, and object shape with precision. The Epivo Totem 360 conference camera offers an innovative approach to virtual meetings, transforming the experience with its 360-degree panoramic coverage. This USB-C plug-and-play device is designed to seamlessly integrate with platforms like Zoom and Microsoft Teams, enhancing productivity and communication. The Totem 360 captures every angle of a meeting using 4 lenses stitched together to deliver a human eye view, ensuring no participant is left out of the frame. The Reluma footrest is designed to provide a refreshing and supportive experience for your legs, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. With its lightweight, compact build, it is perfect for anyone who spends long hours sitting and needs an easy way to alleviate pressure on their legs and feet. The footrest features a durable, ergonomic design that ensures comfort and relaxation with just the right amount of support. Its portability makes it ideal for travelers, while the soft yet firm cushioning helps to improve circulation and reduce fatigue, providing instant relief. Built for the modern creative, this aluminum keyboard balances striking aesthetics with uncompromising performance. Its sleek, CNC-machined aluminum frame brings a refined industrial touch to any workspace. Beneath the surface, RGB backlighting glows smoothly through each key, fully customizable to suit your environment or mood, whether it's focused work or immersive gaming. The Ryobi 40-volt 450 cubic feet per minute jet fan blower is a powerful and efficient tool designed to handle demanding outdoor tasks with ease. Equipped with a jet fan design, this blower delivers a robust airflow of 450 cubic feet per minute and a wind speed of 120 miles per hour, ensuring that even the toughest debris is quickly cleared from your yard, driveway, or garden. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while the lightweight construction helps reduce user fatigue.